Hello friends, welcome to your channel Market Update. I hope you and your family are doing great during this pandemic. So today's video is all about on Trident. We had seen that Trident is moving in circuits only. We had witnessed that Trident has moved with 59 rupees of figure with the upper circuit momentum and goes to a lower of 44 rupees with the lower circuit momentum. So we will discuss why these circuits are taking place with the Trident, and is it good time to invest in Trident? So let's stay connected. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel and help support me. Start with Trident front page. We can clearly see that the share is moving with 4.9 to almost 5% of upper circuit for the day, and within a week this share has a momentum of 50, like lowest goes to 44 rupees 65 paise, and the overall return goes to 15 rupees 9%, and within a month return of 35.88. And you can clearly see from the November 2020 that the share is continuously in upper and lower circuit, and I will discuss the reason why the circuits are going on. And overall, if we see the return of for a year, the share has given us tremendous return of 410.89%. The company is a mid cap, that's why it is in high risk. And the factor that why we have to consider this Trident is the return of this share. So if we try to compare with the return with FD rate, it's way valuer than FD, and it is a good time for entry level as well. And if you looking for the dividend, this share also gives a good dividend. Share is already in ASM list, so no need to worry, because it is sooner or later it is going to out of this ASM list. And now let's have discuss about the key metrics. We can clearly notice that as per the PE ratio, as per the according to the sector, this share is way valuer than its sector, but still 100% forecast rating is says the analysts are suggesting this share to buy. You can go ahead, you can buy this share for a long term. So everyone has a question that this share has reached a point of 59 rupees, now that back to 44 rupees, now trending again in upper circuit. So this is the beauty of this share. You have always seen notice that whenever this share movements with upper circuit, it goes to 1 or 2 days with the lower circuit momentum, and then this share is it start to consolidated with a fixed price. So we will see why these like the momentum we are witnessing in upper circuit and lower circuit only. So here we go with this shareholding pattern. We can clearly notice that 73.2%, which is a really good figure for promoters to hold a good holding, and foreign investors also invested 2.14%, and the next retail and other, which also includes all the operators, so 24.83, which is almost 25%. And for a share to trend in the market, 25% is kind of big figure, and that is the only reason that operators are able to relocate this share and they are able to move this share in circuits. And this is just because of the operators we are seeing this momentum. But no need to worry, if you are looking to invest in this share, you can go ahead for a long term, because there is nothing wrong with this share. And if you have to look for future of this share, so you can check by the quarterly result of this share. If you see that every quarter results are good, then you can stay with the share, and whenever you see that there is any kind of lower side momentum or any loss witnessed by the share, you can exit out as well. But for a long term business, this share is really good. Now let's look on the financial trend of this share. We can clearly notice from 2018 to 2021, this share is consistent with its profits and revenue. And another reason why this share is good with its return, because this company deals with three major products. One is yarn, another one is paper, and third is chemical. Yet chemicals is a recent business for this company, so this doesn't contribute more. But paper and yarn, these are the two major factor of these companies. So Trident creates an uh, ecological system where their entire process is entirely dependent with each other. So when they go with their yarn production, where whatever the waste remains, they put it for the paper production, and same goes for the chemical as well. So this is how the Trident is creating more benefits in comparison to the other peer companies. So that's all for the Trident. And if you are looking for this Trident, I would suggest you please go ahead with your financial advisor. They will definitely assist you with that, and please do some market research so that you can understand the terms. And there is nothing wrong with the Trident. You can go with that for a long term. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.